Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ROOSAMEKTO MAMEK. I am line dance instructor and choreographer. This is the tutorial of flowers need rain. It is a 30 to count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance, choreographed by and also okay, and this is my right foot, yeah, my right foot. One and two, three, four, five, and six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, and three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. One, and two, three, four, five, and six, seven, eight. Okay, I'm going to repeat one more time, yeah? And this is my right foot. Eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, and three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. One, and two, three, four, five, and six, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the dance. There is 4 contact at the end of wall 2 and 6. I am going to face camera for the tag. The tag is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I hope you like it. Don't forget please to like, comment, share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.